Hello students, welcome again to Chemistry Talk with the preparation method of ketone. In this video, we will learn about preparation method of ketone. As in earlier video, we already studied about preparation method of aldehyde and nature of carbonyl group. Ketones are also as important as aldehydes in our daily life. So many ketones are used as a best solvent. Some are used as a laboratory reagent. Some are used to give flavor. That's why their preparation methods also very important. Ketones are dialkyl or diaryl derivatives of carbonyl group. Carbonyl group is polar and that's why ketones also show some special properties. There are two types of ketones, symmetrical ketones and asymmetrical ketones. If same kind of alkyl group or aryl groups are connected with carbonyl carbon, then they are called symmetrical ketones. While if different groups are there, either alkyl or aryl, one alkyl, one aryl, both different alkyl groups or both different aryl groups, then ketones are known as asymmetrical ketones. They have different types of preparation methods. There are standard methods, some general methods, some laboratory preparation methods. There are industrial preparation methods, and we have to apply so many tricks to learn those methods. The first method is to prepare ketone is from acyl halide and Grignard reagent. When acid halides RCOCl reacts with dialkyl cadmium, then ketones are produced. Dialkyl cadmium is to be produced by treating dichlorocadmium with Grignard reagent. The reaction will be RMgX plus CdCl2 give rise to R2CD plus MgXCl. R2CD reacts with RCOCl and produce RCOR plus CdCl2 again. This is very economical process because cadmium chloride is again regenerated. Grignard reagent directly can be used with acid halides to produce ketone. But Grignard reagent is highly reactive, highly polar organometallic compound in which alkyl group is negatively charged, and that's why formed ketone will go for nucleophilic addition reaction and again form tertiary alcohol. That's why in between we are using compound of cadmium and directly Grignard reagent is not used. Ketones can be produced by nitrile compounds. When nitrile compounds means RCN reacts with Grignard reagent, proceed by hydrolysis, they form ketones. Aromatic ketones also can be produced by the same method. If at the place of alkyl nitrile, if we use benzene nitrile or aromatic nitrile, then aromatic ketones will produce. One of the important method named by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Aromatic ketones are produced by Friedel-Crafts acylation in which benzene or derivatives of benzene when react with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then aromatic ketones are produced. This is named reaction as well as important mechanism is there. Same as aldehyde, ketones can be produced by dehydrogenation of alcohol. When secondary alcohols are dehydrogenated in presence of copper or aluminium oxide, they produce ketones. Here the reaction is of dehydrogenation. Copper at very high temperature is required around 573 Kelvin, in which secondary alcohol is dehydrated. There is a removal of hydrogen and ketones are produced. Secondary alcohols can't oxidize as easy as primary alcohol, but whenever they oxidize, they form ketone. Some strong oxidizing agents are used, like John's oxidizing reagent, but in acidic medium. Cyclohexanone with isopropoxide. This oxidation will be known as open-air oxidation reaction. So secondary alcohols oxidized into ketones by using strong oxidizing agent. Here, the mechanism of oxidation of secondary alcohol. In presence of Lewis base, secondary alcohols are oxidized and they produce ketone. It's a general mechanism. By decarboxylation of acids or acid derivatives of calcium are also responsible to produce ketones. Dry distillation of calcium derivatives of acids in presence of magnesium oxide produce ketones. It is one of the laboratory preparation methods of ketone as well. Here equations are there. CH3COOH 2 times when distilled at high temperature, but it's kind of dry distillation, then ketones are produced. When the calcium salts also distilled in presence of magnesium oxide, then ketones are produced. But if we use the calcium salt of formic acid, then aldehyde will produce. So except calcium salt of formic acid, other salts of acids are to be used. Chapter will be continued with more videos. Go through them properly and make your notes also and subscribe the channel.